and welcome to day 14 of our 30 days hair growth challenge. I'm so happy this is already day 14, and as you know, this challenge is very easy to do. All you need to do is check on my YouTube channel the recipe of rosemary and cloves water. You have your dry rosemary leaves and cloves, you blend them in and you add hot water to it, and then you have the perfect mixture to spray on your head twice per day, and with that your hair will grow so fast. As you already know, we started this challenge 14 days ago, and every 7 days we are doing a length check. So today is length check day, so we're going to go right away with that. So I did this braid yesterday. I'm just going to undo this one for the length check. Very first day we were at 38 centimeters when we were just starting. 1 week later we measured the length and it was 39 centimeters. It's been 2 weeks since we started out, and I can't wait to know the result. This is the method that we used last time. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but we are at 40 centimeters. The hair is very curly, so it's not easy to see, but we are already at 40 centimeters. We started at 38, then 39, and now this is already 40. This is 40. Okay, so for week 2 we gained 1 more centimeter. So by now you probably already know what we're doing in this challenge. We spray rosemary and cloves water on scalp and hair twice per day, in the morning and in the evening. So as you can see on day 14, we can say that we gained 2 centimeters in 14 days, which is quite amazing. So I would really recommend that you start the challenge if you have not started yet, because it's going to make your hair grow very fast and very healthy. And if you're joining us for the challenge, please write in the comment section, I'm joining you for the challenge. And if you have any questions, also post them in the comment section so that I can answer. And please, if you know people who want to grow their hair longer and healthier, please share the challenge with them. And finally, if you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Additionally, you can check out my book, my ebook, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch, in which I share other natural hair recipes like this one, and I also share tips on how to transition from relaxed to natural hair if you want to transition from relaxed to natural hair, on tips on how to take care of your natural hair if you're already a natural hair girly. So please, the link is in my description. You can get the book either from Amazon or directly from my website. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. God bless you and see you soon. Bye bye.